experience is that everybody thinks that they know exactly what message the Democratic Party needs to have. But if they talk to other Dems in other places, they're going to discover that other people may have different ideas. So when I ran, I focused on the things that I think my community really cares about, which is the cost of living, particularly housing in Los Angeles, the cost of housing, that young families feel that they will never, ever be able to afford to buy a house and have the kind of stability that they see people in other neighborhoods having, or in other generations having been able to establish. People feeling that they don't have upward mobility anymore in their jobs, being very afraid that the career that they've dedicated their life for is eliminating their positions. You know, in my community, AI is a huge threat for the film industry. Corporate consolidation has pushed a lot of people out of the career of their dreams. Certainly the price of eating out, of buying groceries, all of that. So when I ran, I focused on those issues, not on sort of the larger ideological issues. You know, I'm speaking to Democrats, and I'm assuming that we all have the same core values, but what people really need help with right now is being able to stay in Los Angeles, given the cost of living there. Access to healthcare, which has been an issue for many, many years, helped by the ACA certainly quite a bit, but still a huge struggle for people, even in Los Angeles, even in California, where we have, we've taken full advantage of ACA expansion, and people have seen premiums come down. Still something that is a cost driver. And I've worked on medical bankruptcy in California and people losing their homes because of medical bankruptcy. So there's still a lot of issues that make life difficult. And I like to think that the reason that I won in a very crowded field filled with well-known Democrats is because I focused on that and not necessarily on Donald Trump or on sort of bigger ideological issues.